So Nigel,
Hi.
Jordan Brand has been going crazy with golf releases, man. I guess because the weather's starting to get nice.
I guess so.
And then they done went and done it with a OG fire pair. What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
Of Daddy's Son.
Kick Talk.
And today we're kick talking about
The AirJordan 12 Low Golf Taxi. It's a lot of words, but ultimately, it's a dope pair of golf shoes. We're gonna get into it today. This comes to me courtesy of a Soul Savvy Assist again. Keep shouting them out because it helps, man. It helps when you have people working for you to get pairs of shoes when it's hard to get yourself. But before we get into the shoe, Nigel, tell the people what they should do.
you need to ring that notification bell because listen, we make a lot of videos, right? So we're probably gonna make another video again after this one. So what you need to do is ring that notification bell so when we make that video again after this one, you can be the first one to watch that video because everybody loves being first.
Woo! You said a mouthful. All right, now that that's out of the way, let's just get right into this shoe. First, you get your little golf card situation. They say, hey, this is Nike Golf. And then we just gonna pull these out. Get the box out of here. Whoop. No. Oh. That was a lot.
I was trying to like go like low pressure, but it didn't work.
Yeah, I noticed. AirJordan 12 Taxi Golf Low in a low form. I think these may be, let's see, we reviewed the Bred 4 Golf. These might be a close second. The Bred, I love the Bred 4. That's
Second, like in golf shoes?
no, the second, like as far as my favorite.
Huh?
My favorite of the golf, of the Jordan golf shoes. That's,
Okay.
Yeah, second in golf shoes.
Okay.
Yeah, my favorite though. Yeah, so.
Nah, I thought you was talking about all time.
No, not all the time, just of the golf shoes that we reviewed. Go back and check that video out. We'll put a link for it here. You can check out the Bred 4 golf shoes. But with these taxis, I mean, they feel clean. They look clean. They look like straight up like the regular golf taxis. I mean, the regular taxis, right? I mean, of course, you got some golf cleats underneath. So you're not gonna wear these on any smooth ground. And we discussed before, these types of things are removable. But if you take those off and then just try to wear these as a regular shoe, you're gonna destroy the bottoms.
Yeah.
But ultimately, I mean, everything is done just like the traditional shoe, man.
Yeah, I think it's actually pretty clean.
It's very clean.
It is.
And the upper, I mean, I guess it's some type of, it feels almost like leather, but you know, I doubt if they would just put regular leather on this because well, golf shoes, you get so wet and so dirty. But
You know what I appreciate?
What's that?
How the taxi colorway is black at the bottom and white on the top because it looks nice.
Yeah.
But then since you have the black on the bottom, you don't have to be so scared of getting them messy. You
That's a
can
good
like
point.
walk around on the golf field
Right.
and still, you know, have your same shoe looking not messy and all that.
Right. You're not worrying about the grass stains. Yeah, if it was white, it would get destroyed.
Exactly.
Because, you know, everything would just start turning green. But yeah, you're right. The black base makes a huge difference, which is probably why they went with the taxi and not even, you know, like the playoffs, right?
Yeah.
If they did that as a golf, then that would be, this all would be destroyed.
Yeah. Oh, you know what I just noticed?
What's that?
The taxis have a gold earring on the sides instead of the silver.
The gold earring. Like this would be like the lacelet, aglets. I can't remember.
The aglet is the...
Yeah, the
Oh,
aglet's
hold
the-
on. I'm going to give you some shoe knowledge.
Oh boy.
Dad.
Yes.
If you didn't know, the aglet on the shoe is the end of the shoelaces where the little plastic piece goes.
Ah, yes.
The more you know.
Thank you. I do like that they did still give you the graphite underneath this traction cage on the bottom of the shoe. It's just like they colored it different with this yellowy looking color.
Yeah.
But that just gives you a nice strong base for this shoe. So when you're on the golf course, you can crush it.
Hold on, no. Look,
Yeah.
on the bottom of the shoe,
Yeah.
you see the print that they put on here.
Yeah.
What does this remind you of? Name an animal.
The orange and black. You trying to talk about tiger?
It's stripes. It's a tiger print. Guess who is the best golfer ever?
Tiger Woods.
Woods. This is literally a reference. They're teasing the upcoming Tiger Woods x Jumpman collab.
That's funny. That's interesting. Tiger is a Nike athlete, but he's not a Jordan brand athlete.
Not yet.
You think
when that happens,
You think Jordan
I
would
want my bag, please.
bring in Tiger Woods into his brand? That'd be awesome. But there is, I mean, it is orange and black. You're right about that. Orange and black there. Orange and black on the golf in the back. What does that say there?
What
does that say? Golf.
It says golf for the love of 18. And guess what number Tiger Woods wears?
No number.
18.
No. Does he though?
No.
And on his golf jersey, 18 holes, man. 18 holes of golf. There's a back 9 and a front 9. Yeah.
Huh.
Somebody says that they played a full 18. Look at that.
I've only golfed in GTA like once, so I didn't know any of that.
He's just learning. We just teaching people here today.
Okay, Agavitz.
The more you know. This guy. All right, they gave you the basic construction of the Jordan 12. I like that. You got the Jordan on the tongue.
Yep.
And what else you got there?
On the tongue, you see the letters TWO3.
What does that mean?
2-3.
Yeah.
That's the Jumpman.
2-3 is whose
Jumpman
number?
2-3.
Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan.
There we go. Yeah, yeah. They give you the red Jordan Jumpman logo on the bottom of the shoe right in the front. Yeah, right there. As well as the red 2-3 on the back. Because on the OGs of these, well, I guess on this one, I think it might have been white. Because I know they did that before on the playoffs. They gave you red, but they brought it back with this release in black, which is how the OG was.
This is so clean.
Sorry to keep invoking that shoe. But I'm just doing a comparison because it's the same model, just a different, iteration thereabouts.
You know what confuses me?
What's that?
Like, right here. What was the point of putting the stripes up here?
Hey, man.
Like, actually, aside from, this is definitely a teaser for Tiger Woods' upcoming Jumpman collab. But aside from that, what was the point of this? They could have kept it like the graphite, honestly. I think that would have looked better.
You just think it just because it's the bottom of the shoe and why to add that extra accent?
Right, if you walking on a golf course the entire time, who's going to see that,
It's all about a piece of art, man. Think about if you're a designer of a shoe. You got to think about every angle. You're not just going to stop designing when you get to the bottom, right?
Yeah.
And if it's like, on a basketball shoe, it's all about, the traction, how that design, how's it going to perform. This is, a golf shoe. So you got the cleats, but then you also have this other stuff that still has some kind of, it pokes out a little bit so you can see it from the side. That's still some stuff that can dig into the grass when you're out on the links.
Yeah.
To give you a little bit better footing. So it's not just the cleat part, but also on the base of the shoe, some additional traction. If you rub your hand on there, you can feel.
I know, but I mean, like, what's the point of this?
Right in the middle. I don't know, they just decided to give it some color. That's all I can tell you. Let's give it a little design instead of just black. And I might have to get you out on the golf course, it seems. We got to get out to the driving range. But you got to get some clubs, though, because you're left-handed.
Some clubs, and I have my visor with the no top of the hat, you know what I'm saying, and the white gloves. I'm going to be looking clean.
You can do all of that? We can just start maybe just getting some clubs. Maybe borrow some at the driving range. You can get some.
That too.
And just hit a couple balls first.
Hit the top golf.
All right. Top golf. That's a whole different game. But in any event, we're going to get you out there. This is summer weather's coming, so we'll be good to go. But be a little more delicate with these, man. These are not for me. These are for friends. These are for friends. These shoes are fire. Are you guys golfers? Do you like this silhouette and colorway that they gave us this year with these 12 taxi lows? Also, like I said, check out the Bred 4 Golf and tell us which one is your favorite between the two. All right. And thanks for hanging out. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.